Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 91. Sesangi. Sesangi. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is se, second syllable is sang, and third syllable is i. Pronounce it with me. Sesangi. Sesangi. The word sesangi is a noun which means world. Again, sesangi means world. How do you write sesangi in Hangul? It is composed of three syllables. For the first syllable se, we need to draw first a siyot character followed by an e character. For the second syllable sang, we need to draw first a siyot character followed by an a character followed by an iyang character. For the third syllable I, we need to draw first a placeholder or a no sound iyang followed by an e character. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these three syllables to form the Hangul of the word sesangi. Again, that's siyot and e for se, and then siyot, a, and iyang for sang, and a no sound iyang and an e for the third syllable I. That's how you write sesangi in Hangul. And with that, you've just learned sesangi. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 81 to 90. But don't forget our word for today, word number 91, sesangi, which means world. The first word for our review is word number 90, it's molla, which means I don't know. Next word is moruda. This is a verb which means to not know. Next word is we, and this is used to ask why. Next word is Joesonghamnida, and this is a formal way of saying congratulations. Next word is otoke, and this is used to ask how. Next word is otokhe, and this is used to say what to do. Next word is odi, and this is used to ask where. Next word is akka, which is used to say a while ago today. Next word for our review is 지금, which means now. And the last word for our review is word number 81, 어제, which means yesterday. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.